Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.1 question number 3. Catherine drew a dice 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. Make a table and enter the data using tally marks. Find the number that appeared the minimum number of times, the maximum number of times. Find those numbers that appear an equal number of times. Let us take this is the table. This is the number of on dice. Number on dice. Number on dice. This is number of times, number of times, number of times, and this is tally marks. Tally marks. Right? Number on dice, suppose the number is 1. How many times you count here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number on dice 1. Number of times is 7 times, and tally marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number on dice 2. 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 6 tally marks. And 3 is 3, number on dice 3. How many times? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times, number of times 5. Therefore, tally marks 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5. Now 4. 4 is 4, count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 4 times. Tally mark is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number times is 11. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. And 6. 6 is how many times? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. That is 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will count this one. That is 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 11, 22 plus 7, 29, 30, 40, right? That is 40 times. Number of times is 40. This is correct, right? Now the question A. Question A is, the answer of question A is the minimum number of times. The minimum number of times is, the minimum number of times Make a table, enter the data in the table, find the number that appeared the minimum number of times. The minimum number of times is 4, therefore the number 4, right? The minimum number of times, find the number. The number is 4. The number is 4, and it is minimum because it number of times is 4, right? Question number B. Question number B, the maximum number of times. Maximum number of times is number on dice is 5, that is 11 times. That is 5. Number is 5. 5. It is 11 times. It is 11 times, and 4 is only 4 times. Minimum only 4 times. 4 is only 4 times. This is only 4 times. 4 times. And what is the question number C? Question number C is find those numbers that appear an equal number of times. Equal number of times. 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 11 times, 7 times, right? Now find those numbers that appear an equal number of times. No number appeared. No number appeared equal number of times. Equal number of times. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.